Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Claude AI account. So, what you need to do is go ahead and open Claude AI on your Chrome or Edge and then log into your profile. Now, go to your profile and tap on Account Settings. Go to Account on your left hand side and you can see the Delete Your Account option. Go ahead and click Delete Your Account, and to delete your account click I understand, and then your account will be deleted. You must note that deleting your account is permanent and you will have no way of recovering your account, or you will not recover your account. So let me show it to you once again how you can delete it. Go to your account, go to Account Settings, tap to Account and then click on Delete Account. Press I understand and then your account will be deleted. I hope this video about how you can delete your Claude AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.